On today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV Basic Skills Day, we're making the perfect scrambled egg. Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV Basic Skills Day. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Today, we're scrambling some eggs. Let's get started. Scrambling eggs, easy thing, and yet people always mess it up. They overcook their eggs, they leave them in the pan, and then they're dry and crumbly and tasteless. So I'm going to show you how easy it really is. Have a nice bowl, and I've got 4 eggs here, just enough for a snack. I like to crack them on a flat surface, but you do what you like. These are nice farm fresh eggs that I was able to get. They have nice hard shells. All right, one more. To that, I'm going to add a little splash of milk. Now, a lot of people say, don't add water, don't add milk, don't add anything. I like adding just a splash. It's maybe a teaspoon or so. And I'm going to add just the tiniest pinch of salt. Again, I know people say, no, it makes it tough. I don't find that to be true at all. The key is not overcooking them. Now you want to whisk these up till they're well combined. And there we go. Now, the pan. You want a nonstick pan. Don't be a hero. Don't try and do it in anything else. Use a nonstick pan. I'm going to start this out on medium-low heat. Not too low because I don't want to spend too long. I don't want to spend 45 minutes scrambling eggs. Now here's a fun fact. A lot of chefs audition potential line cooks on their scrambled eggs. Can they do it properly? Can they do it quickly and efficiently? A little bit of butter. About a tablespoon or so. Right in. Just gonna let that melt for a moment. And please, do use real butter. You can do oil or spray, but butter will taste better. Now here's a great thing. You don't even have to wait for this to melt entirely. It'll all melt. What you really want is the bottom of the pan coated with the butter. So here we go, right in. I'm going to scrape all that goodness out. All right. Now notice, I didn't preheat the pan. You didn't hear it sizzle. We're going low and gentle. Not too low. But you will see, almost right away, the edges will start to set, and that's what you want to look for. Now, I like to use a rubber spatula, heat-proof one, and just drag it through around the edges where it's setting. Keep it moving. And what you get are these big kind of curds of egg. And they'll be fluffy and light. Now let me grab my plate because these are almost done. And that's the other secret. If they look done in the pan, they're overdone on the plate. And why is that? Carry over cooking. Now, these are done. They look a little wet, but I promise you, by the time they are on the plate and you're ready to eat them, they will continue to cook. And look at that. Beautiful and fluffy and light. That is how you scramble an egg. All right, guys, if you like this episode, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. We'll see you Tuesdays for our regular episodes and Friday for our Basic Skills Day. Cheers!